Alright, what is up, you guys? It's your boy CA Corey, back with another video. We about to just film a little POV highway drive. I'm thinking of playing some music, bro, because I don't feel like hearing that non-copyright music. And it's Sunday, it's a good day today, so I'm really not in the mood to be hearing no non-copyrighted music. So what we're gonna do, let's just throw on something. Let's see.
She say that I'm fresh as fuck, I used to be a bum. Heartbreaks made me who I am, baby, who are you? They treated me like shit when I was young, dropped out of school. I had so much trauma, so I never followed rules. The only time that I can follow rules when I'm in you. I just took a risk again, I cussed out my bitch again. Now we back kissing again. I just want a real bitch to have my baby for once. I just found a real bitch to make me crazy for once. I remember we were broken, I couldn't buy me no lunch. I remember with the lemon on the side of the lunch. Baby, you a star, I know who you are, I know who you are. Baby, you a star, baby, you a star, you know who you are. You know you go far, you know you go far, you know you go far. Walking through the mud in my Balenciaga. You know that I love you and I'll fix your problem. You make me feel so good every time I solve them. So happy that I found you and I found love. Who gon' hold you down when shit get bad, bad? Who gon' fuck you good when you get mad, mad? Who gon' hold your hand when you in pain? Okay. Grab your heart and I walk through the rain. Okay. Don't love nobody where I'm from. Kissing on your body, I won't stop until you come. She say that I'm pretty, but I'm really from the slums. She say that I'm fresh as fuck, I used to be a bum.
Went bust down, bought a patty. Got out of jail to the push, baby girl, get it to me, gotta have it. Ain't even know me into it, I ain't tryna make this shit a habit. Ass bust not jean, I can tell the bitch eat a rice cabbage. Pussy bust not jean, tryna put in work. Titty bust not shirt. I fuck a bitch all night off these yurts. I was down bad with a platform, I had a plan. Bitch, you know that I'm the man. Shit straight from the bottom, call me Sandman. We came from the gutter and we came straight from the slum. We did it together and we didn't have no one. I bought my bust down cause she said she proud of her son. I dropped shit right up from BM, I told her to put it over.
It's been so bipolar here in Florida. Like, in certain parts it's been raining, and in certain parts of Florida it's totally fine. Like, I don't know, it's just been throwing me off. So I'm praying that, oh look, the Mustang's behind me. But I'm praying that it doesn't start raining because I have the top off. So, and I'm gonna film more videos with the top down. A lot of people tend to like those, so I might just start doing that, to be honest. Oh, this Mustang's trying to play. Hold on, let's see. Oh wait, no he's not. No he's not. Oh wait, yes he is. Should I play around with him? Should I? I want to make some cuts, but alright, fuck it. Let's do it. I think it's a cop up there though, that's the only thing. What is that? Oh, I thought that was a cop right there. I'm like, oh no. Truck behind me trying to play too.
Should I fall back? I get what I receive. Lately I ain't been feeling loved at all, Jim. Should I fall back? Every time you pull me closer, you be feeling closer to hope. Should I fall back? When shit was getting hard, you had turned around, you gave me all back. Should I fall back?
Oh, the cop right there.
And my Lord's like, when I put on gloves and I go all black. Should I fall back? The shit you did to me, if I did that to you, what would you call that? Should I fall back? Should I move close? Be feeling closer.
There was 2 troopers just sitting there waiting, bro. Oh my God. Everyone's worst nightmare right there, bro. Not 1, but 2 troopers, bro. I bet. We out.
Fall out then repeat. Fuck, fight, fall out then repeat. We do it over and over and over. I'm tired. It's over, no more. But I fall back this time. Fuck, fight, fall out then repeat. Did we fucking or fighting or falling with G? I remember days when it was all over me. But it's over, I'm done from this. If you deserve better, go and do better. Cause they'll walk all over you, this if you let them. I show real love like what's a love letter. But baby's big show and don't nobody fuck better. Should I fall back?
Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. Oh, look at the Mustang. There he is. And that's the truck that was behind me too. There he is. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed this highway POV, let me know what you guys thought. It's a Sunday, so there's gonna be a lot of cars outside today. I'm going to a little undisclosed location right now, but I have another video that I'm gonna film today for you guys with the top down, so stay tuned for that. So give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.